Happy Scale Fest Friday. Today, we're going to take a look at the G-flat major scale. In the G-flat major scale, we have a ton of flats, 6 to be precise. B-flat, E-flat, A-flat, D-flat, G-flat, and C-flat. Now, a couple of those will be really unfamiliar to you. So a G-flat is an enharmonic spelling of F sharp, a super familiar note. So whenever you see that G flat, just think, hey, that's an F sharp. No problem. C flat is another one that we don't see very often. A C flat is the same thing as a B natural. So when you see that C flat, just remind yourself, hey, I'm going to play a B. I've been playing that since 6th grade. I got it. On the G flat scale, it's going to be important that you use your chromatic fingerings and the proper left and right combinations. So let's start at the bottom of the G flat scale. We'll play the G flat on the left, A flat on the right, B flat, and then we're going to use the chromatic B natural or C flat, D flat, E flat, F. And now we're going to use the chromatic G flat or F sharp to start the second octave. A flat, B flat. Now we're going to use the right hand C for the C flat, right hand B right there. Then D flat, same thing as C sharp, E flat, F, and again, we're going to use a chromatic banana key to get that G flat or F sharp at the top. Then you'll come back down, F, E flat on the right, D flat on the left, C flat, B natural on the right, A flat, B flat, chromatic G flat, F, E flat, D flat, chromatic banana, C flat, same thing as B natural, B flat, A flat, and G flat. That's a lot of information, and you can go back and watch that again, maybe even slow it down on YouTube. You can drop the tempo to 50% or even 25%. You can really go as slow as you need to make sure that you understand all of those fingerings. While I'm practicing this, I would look at my keys and spell it out. G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat. Up and down. Take the time to do that. Work on the spelling. If you got it memorized, the spelling memorized, and you know the fingerings, man, you're going to have a lot of success on the scale. Here's what it sounds like at tempo. Remember, you can slow it down on YouTube. Just click that dial to the right and slow it down. Here it is. You got this. I'd love to help you get ready for All-State. Use the link below to view my 75-minute course for All-State preparation. I have one for middle school and for high school. And right now, you can use the code KICKSTART to save $15 off on unlimited 24/7 access to those courses. That means for $25, you'll have constant access to over 75 minutes of measure by measure, phrase by phrase, note by note instruction for scales, both etudes, and sight reading. I would love to help you be successful in your next big audition.